How AI is changing HR. AI has entered the business world and it is here to stay. Since the coronavirus pandemic began back in 2020, many businesses have focused on migrating to online platforms. These online platforms allow for the same kind of communication used within the office, just within a virtual setting. Since many businesses have chosen to remain entirely remote or have developed a hybrid working model, AI technologies have been used within an organization to better utilize the information kept within these online working platforms. Many employees do not realize it, but when they are working online, they are creating data that can be used to improve multiple realms within a business. This information is vital for departments such as HR, which focus heavily on factors such as employee improvement and worker productivity. It is up to the AI software to interpret the data and create improvements where needed, and it is up to the HR department to implement the changes found by AI technologies. Automating the recruitment process from sourcing candidates to scheduling interviews. There are many AI resources currently being used within human resource departments to increase the efficiency of human resource processes. Newly developed AI technology helps streamline common human resource processes such as examining resumes, cover letters, employee attendance, and employee productivity, analyzing employee data to identify patterns and trends. Some other AI technology developed for the human resource process can help track measures of performance that each employee outputs daily. This data measurement is especially helpful in discovering which issues employees encounter most often, as it allows businesses to develop measures to prevent these issues in the future. Helping managers to identify potential issues and coaching opportunities with employees. AI helps employee monitoring software more effectively in its purpose to monitor and track employee productivity and utilize this data to identify problems and generate solutions for the business to implement. Employee monitoring software is improved by AI, in which many processes are streamlined and automatic. These systems often identify bottlenecks in work tasks and issues that are hindering optimal productivity for employees and provide recommendations that human resource managers can help implement throughout the needed departments to resolve these issues, whether it be having one on one meetings with the employees to discuss more resources to make the task more efficient, or simply having a one on one checkup meeting to make sure everything is all right and the employee is feeling satisfied with their work. Providing employees with personalized recommendations and feedback. Information gathered from weekly or monthly surveys, collaboration platforms, and internal social networking are often used to generate personalized recommendations for employees and feedback for improvement. However, often many companies are not efficiently creating employee feedback due to the limitation of human analysis with numerous raw data. AI software can analyze raw data from engagement surveys and generate meaningful data that is easily analyzed for many purposes. Three areas in that AI has improved the traditional way of human analysis of employee feedback outputs are the development of predictive appraisals, the area of bias in performance reviews, and the area of planning for immediate course correction, creating a more engaging and personalized employee experience. There are many areas within a company that AI can help benefit and better, including employee engagement, developing of talent, strengthening company culture, and execution of common human resource software. AI can potentially help develop a personalized goal timeline for employees with data centric career plans created for each individual based on their progression and needs.